How to convert a set to a list in Python. I am trying to convert a set to a list in Python 2.6. I'm using this syntax. However, I get the following stack trace. How can I fix this?
It is already a list. Do you want something like edit output of your last comment? I'm wondering if you did something like this.
Edited. It seems you earlier have redefined list, using it as a variable name like this. And UL get.
Instead of. Why not shortcut the process? This will remove the dupes from your list and return a list back to you.
Whenever you are stuck in such type of problems, try to find the data type of the element you want to convert first by using. Then, use to convert it to a list. You can use the newly built list like any normal list in Python now.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.